Hello everyone. We are entering stage 2 of our mixed media project. You should have dry papers that have a sunset colors and one that has ocean colors, warm colors and cool colors. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the sunset in half. Portrait style, hamburger style, I'm not sure what you call it. I'm going to open it up and we're going to decide which side would we like better for the sunset. Do you like that side better or do you like that side better? It's a tough call. They're both pretty nice. I think I might actually go with this side. I keep on changing my mind, but it should work out just fine. And then the next thing we're going to do is we have our ocean picture. We're going to then rip, I know you don't want to rip it, but we are going to rip it in strips. Try not to rip little pieces. So you're just going to tear, and as you're tearing, you have you're pinching both sides, and you're doing a careful tear. Now it's going to look like this. The side that goes up looks really cool because it makes it look like the foam of the ocean. That's why we are ripping it. And we're just going to rip up some strips. Now we're probably not going to need every strip, so if you make one that you're not happy with, it's not a big deal. And you just carefully tear strips. Like I said, if you end up doing little pieces, that's okay. You just have a little bit more to glue on. This just makes it a little bit easier to get your desired effect. You don't want it to be completely straight either, and you definitely do not want to use scissors. I know you say, okay, well, I would rather use scissors. That'll make my job a lot easier, but then you won't have this real nice tops that are going to look like foam when you're done. So I'm going to keep on going and rip up the whole thing, and that way I'll have some choices when it comes time to gluing down my ocean. A couple more. One, and now we're gonna put it together kind of like a puzzle. You know how you do a puzzle? You look for the ends, the edges. Okay, so now I decided, which half did I decide? Okay, I decided this half was going to be the side that I'm going to use. This side's going to get covered up, which is kind of unfortunate because it kind of looks nice too, but you do need to make a choice at some point in time. So I have two pieces that are end pieces that I would like to save for over here. I'm not going to use them up here because they have that nice edge. So I have this piece here and I have this piece here. And I'm going to say to myself, which one shows the foam? Well, that would be definitely this one. So I'm going to save this one for that. I might not even use that one. We shall see. And I'm just going to leave it down here for now. I'm not going to glue this one on first. I'm actually going to start at the top. So I'm going to look for one piece that has kind of straight. This one is really cool. This one's going to be really good. I'm definitely going to use this one, but probably not for this top piece. I think I'm going to choose a piece that has not quite straight, but almost straight. And of course, none of them are going to be straight because you didn't make any of them straight, and that's absolutely perfect. And again, everything does not have to be exact. That one looks pretty good, so I think I'm going to use that one. I'm going to take my Elmer's glue, and you just twist the top, make sure there's nothing on the top, and I'm just going to do a thin strip. Dots of glue, not lots of glue is my rule. Just a little bit here, a little bit there, and I'm going to glue it so that I see the foam side up. Remember, the foam side up makes for nice ocean waves, and I'm going to put it side to side just like that, and I'm just going to press that down. Okay, then now the next few pieces, it's not going to matter. The only thing that does matter is you want to get that ocean side up. Now I do like that piece. The only thing is those two colors are very, very similar. So I think I want to pick one that has a little bit darker so you can kind of see it a little bit better. Because when you do a little contrast, it makes it look really cool. Doesn't really matter though if they all look pretty similar. That will be fine too. I just decided since I have some that are darker and some that are lighter, I can definitely do that. I'm going to put that one down right there. I'm just going to drop it down just a little bit, put it end to end, press. This all has to be pressed down firmly. So if you have different pieces that you ripped apart and you're putting down, you're gonna need to put it like that. All right, sorry, that's our school bell. Not that we're late for anything, but the next one I'm gonna put down is right there. That'll be real good there. I think I like that one there. And you should still have your name on the back. And as a matter of fact, your new tables have been, I actually put the new table colors on the back with a marker of some sort. So don't even have to worry about changing that up. And then how about that one? Do I want to put it that way? Probably not, because you don't see those cool ocean waves. I think that one would look mighty cool there. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Remember this, saving this one for last. Picked it out first, but it's going last. The first shall be the last. Okay, all right. I get glue on the table there. All right, I'll put that one down just like that. And I'm almost done. Maybe one or two more. And like I said, you don't even have to use all of them. I do like this one. I like the colors in this one. So I think I'm going to use this one next. And I think I'm going to have 2 extra, and that's fine. You probably will have extra. You can either share them with a neighbor if somebody else needs an extra one, or maybe you just want to throw it out. It doesn't really matter. Or keep it as a souvenir. Take it with you. But you won't need it for this project. And of course I'm not going to need that one because it doesn't have the ocean wave. Do I want to put another one on in between this one and this one? You know what? I could. I think I will. Why not? I like that one. So I actually only have 1 extra, which is not too bad, which is unusual actually. You might have quite a few more extra than just 1, which is what I ended up with. So I actually ended up using them all. So it's going to look like an ocean, and then next week we're going to start building our cityscape. So it's going to be a city, and it's going to be printed on our ocean. But today we're just concerned about making our sunset and ocean, and it will look like that. Yours will probably look a lot nicer. I don't know that I made mine as bright as you did. But I did see yours as I was going through them, and they are absolutely awesome and incredible. And I'm so looking forward to showing you the next video. Thanks for watching.